welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Manisha and today is Navratri's 4th day and I'm going to create this look. In this look, I'm not going to use any foundation. I'm just going to use a concealer and minimum products. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. If you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम start करते हैं with the moisturizer. And for moisturizer, I'm using this Pond's moisturizer. Really nice formula and it absorbs in our skin really quickly. I am using one more moisturizer. This is from the brand Garnier. This is their anti-aging cream. So I just love this cream and the formula is very nice. Kind of creamy formula. तो मेकअप के लिए हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं यूजिंग कंसीलर. दिस इज द एलेगन प्रो कंसील इन द शेड मीडियम बिस्क. सो जैसे कि आपने पहले भी देखा होगा, जो मेरे यूजुअल एरियाज है, जो डार्क सर्कल्स है और डार्क स्पॉट है फेस पे, इससे ये कैंसल आउट हो जाते हैं. As I've told you, I am not going to use any foundation today. I am just going to use concealer for today's makeup, and with the damp beauty blender I am going to blend this into my skin. As you can see, यहाँ पे जो डार्क सर्कल्स थे वो थोड़े से लाइट हो गए हैं. So next I'm going to use this concealer from the brand Maybelline and this is in the shade number 10 Light Lego, and I'm just going to highlight some under eye area. जहाँ हम लोगों ने पहले कंसील किया था उस जगह पे सिर्फ हम इस एंड अगेन मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ काया का लिप बाम. लिप्स को मॉइस्चराइज करना भी बहुत जरूरी है. उससे हमारे लिपस्टिक जो है वो प्रॉपरली इवनली अप्लाई होती है. उसके बाद हम यूज करने वाले हैं सेटिंग पाउडर. दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड Maybelline. आई एम इन द शेड लाइट बेज. एक ऐसा स्पॉन्ज यूज कर रही हूँ और जहाँ हमने कंसीलर अप्लाई किया था वहाँ जस्ट लाइट हैंड से आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेस दिस पाउडर इनटू माय स्किन. जहाँ हमने वो कंसीलर अप्लाई किया है वो क्रीज ना हो, इसके लिए. Okay, so next move on to eyeshadow. Okay, so for the eyeshadow I'm going to use Nykaa's liquid matte lipstick. This is their metallic range of lipstick. So I'm just going to apply directly on my lid. I'm just blending it with my ring finger.
It dried up really quickly, so make sure
you blend it quickly.
and it comes under rupees 700 for a single liquid lipstick. This is their metallic lipstick.
Next I'm using Kiss Beauty's blush. This blush I have bought, I think this is my first blush actually. This is my what I'm going to do, I'm going to take any fluffier brush. This is the brush from Pro Art and this is their PF13 brush. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dip my brush into this blush. I'm just going to blend the edges of my eyes so it will look properly. It will not look messy. So it will give a little matte finish as well, and it will not look chalky, and it will not crease as well. Okay, so next move on to the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm going to take Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and I'm just usually what I do, first I feel the brows and then brush it with the spoolie. I'm not going to create any harsh line today because I just want to keep it natural.
Same way on the other side. Very light-handedly you have to
Okay, so in this look I'm not going to use any eyeliner. If you wanna wear eyeliner, if you like eyeliner, then you can use, but I'm just going to use mascara. And for mascara I'm going to use, this is L'Oreal's Volume Million Lashes Mascara.
For kajal, I'm going to use this Nykaa's black kajal.
Okay, so next move on to contouring. For contouring, I'm going to use this palette from Maybelline. This is their Master Contour by Face Studio, and I'm just going to do this slight powder contour just to give sharpness to my cheekbones. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dip my brush into the contour powder, and
I'm just contouring this side. Very slightly I'm going to contour my cheekbones. Also my jawline. Nose.
from the same palette, I'm going to use this blush. Next, I'm going to take the highlighter from the same palette with this fan brush. I'm going to highlight my usual areas.
Cheekbones. Nose. Oh, eyebrow. Bone. I'm going to highlight.
Okay, so last part of the video is star of the show, lipstick. For the lipstick, I am going to use a Red Hot liquid lipstick. For the lipstick, I am going to use Nykaa's Liquid Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mishti, because this lipstick is having pink undertone and we have used the kind of pink, have used sort of pink eyeshadow, so I feel this will look good and it will enhance the look. I'm going to apply on the lips. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.